Hello and welcome to the 411 on Making Money Online. Today we'll talk about the side hustle revolution and how to make money online without quitting your day job, part 1 of 2. What's the difference between full-time jobs and side hustles? A full-time job is usually the main way that a person makes money and focuses on their work. It's a usually long-term commitment with a set number of hours to work each week, usually around 40 hours. A side hustle, on the other hand, is something you do in addition to your main job. It usually takes fewer hours and more flexibility with your schedule. Pay and perks. Full-time jobs usually come with benefits like health insurance, paid time off, and retirement plans, as well as a steady income. On the other hand, side jobs may offer variable pay with few or no perks. Type of work. People choose side jobs based on their personal hobbies or skills, and they can be more varied and unusual than full-time jobs. They give people a chance to try their hand at new things or make money from their hobbies. Level of commitment. People who work full-time usually have to give more of their time, energy, and loyalty to their company. Even though they can be hard work, side jobs usually give you more freedom and control. Getting ahead in your career. Most full-time jobs have clear paths for getting ahead in your career and developing your skills. Even though side hustles can help you improve in your career, they don't always come with a clear plan of how to do so. Why do side hustles? Benefit: extra money, learning new skills, and following your hobbies. Number 1, Etsy entrepreneurs. As a side job, a lot of people start selling handmade goods, vintage items, or craft tools on Etsy. Some of these sellers have grown their small shops into full-fledged companies that make a lot of money. For example, Alicia Schaefer became one of Etsy's best sellers by making and selling clothes and items with a bohemian style through her shop, Three Bird Nests. People who make videos for YouTube. A lot of people who make videos for YouTube start out by making them as a hobby or a side project. PewDiePie Felix Kelligberg, a famous YouTuber, began with simple gaming videos and now has a channel with millions of followers. What started as a side job for them has become their main source of income. Freelance writing. People who love writing often start as a freelancer or bloggers in their spare time. Holly Johnson, for example, started writing for hire on the side while she was a full-time employee. She turned her side hustle into a 6-figure paid writing business, which let her quit her full-time job. Making apps. A lot of tech fans and writers make apps as a hobby. As a side hustle, Nick Delosio made the app Sumly when he was 15 years old. Yahoo later bought it for $30 million. Fitness coaching. People who are really into fitness can often start out as personal trainers or part-time fitness teachers. The Australian personal trainer Kayla Esteins started out by teaching fitness classes. These classes inspired her to write a series of ebooks and create the exercise app Sweat with Kayla, which she turned into a multi-million-dollar business. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention I am promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr. It's an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money using YouTube. It also teaches you how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel like I am doing right now, and you don't have to make videos to be successful on YouTube's platform. I have listed information in the description below this video for those who may be interested. It's totally free to check it out. Part 2, figuring out what skills and interests you have. Number 1, how to find skills that can be turned into money. Check your professional skills. Think about the skills you've learned at work, both now and in the past. Most of the time, these skills can be used for independent work. As an example, freelance jobs are filled to the brim with people who are good at visual design, writing, programming, and digital marketing. Think about your academic background. The skills you learned in school may also be able to help you make money. If you have a degree in business, for example, you could offer consulting services. If you have a degree in a foreign language, you can offer translation services. Take a look at the things you do every day. Sometimes the skills you use every day can be turned into money. People who are good at cooking, cleaning, or even shopping can start their own catering business, professional organizing services, or personal shopping services. Think about compliments. Give some thought to the skills that people say you are great about you. If your friends love the gifts you made for them, you might want to sell some of the same things online. If you are good at writing, you might want to try freelancing. Keep an eye on what the market wants. Some skills are in high demand in the market. Digital skills like web creation, SEO, and data analysis are very marketable, for instance. Check job boards and freelance markets often to see what skills people are looking for. Matching hobbies or interests with possible income streams. Find your interests. Make a list of the things you enjoy doing when you have free time. This could be farming or taking pictures. Check to see if there is a market. Find out if there is a market for your hobby. For instance, if you like taking pictures, find out if people in your area need shooters or if you can sell your pictures online. Begin small. As a first step, turn your hobby into a small side hustle. Like if you love baking, start by selling your goods to family and friends or even at events in your area. Use online platforms to reach more people. Use online markets or social media. For instance, if you like making items, sites like Etsy can help you sell things that you've made. Make connections and work together. Find people who are interested in the same things you are. They can give you ideas, point you in the direction of possible ways to work together, and help you connect with people in larger groups. Learning and getting better. To get better at your hobby, keep learning about it. Books, online classes, and training can be very helpful. Balance passion with practicality. It's great to follow your passion, but you should also think about how much money you can make and how much time you would have to spend on it. Check to see if the hobby can be turned into a business. If you are enjoying today's video, don't forget to press the subscribe button and notification bell for more valuable content centered around making money online. Looking for ideas? A list of popular side hustles that you can do online, such as graphic design, freelance writing, online teaching, and more. Some quick tips on how to start with each. Freelance writing. Write a blog to show off your work. Job sites for freelancers like Upwork or Fiverr. Write a few sample pieces in the area you're an expert in, like tech, health, or money. If you're into graphic design, make a website on Behance or Dribbble. Post about your business on social media sites. Stay up to date on the newest tools and design trends. Online tutoring. Figure out which subjects you're good at. Sign up for training sites like tutor.com or VIP Kid. Make sure you have a comfy, distraction-free place to work online. Make a list of secretarial skills you can offer, such as managing emails and making schedules. Put these skills at the top of your LinkedIn page. Offer your services to small businesses or individuals to begin with. Managing social media, keeping up with changes to algorithms and social media trends. Make a collection that shows how well you can grow social media accounts. Offer to handle social media for small businesses or new companies in your area. Online shopping like Etsy and Shopify. Pick a unique product that you're really interested in. Learn about the market and your rivals. Begin with a small stock and put your attention on giving great customer service. Affiliate marketing. Pick a topic you know a lot about to sell things that start a blog or YouTube account. Get people to follow you by posting regularly useful content. Photography. Put together an exhibit of your best work. Offer your skills for portraits or events in the area. Use websites that sell stock photos to sell your pictures. Stick around and check out other videos on my channel for further valuable content focusing on making money online.